Welcome to Think STEM Hub. We are in another episode that is dedicated to those students who are preparing for their SAT exam. I wish you well in your exam. So we have a function problem here, and our f of x is given to be 5x squared minus 3. Then our f of x plus a is 5x squared plus 30x plus 42. To solve this, where I have x here, x will be equal to x plus a. Now I'm going back to this first one. That is my f of x plus a. That is each place that I see x, I'll put x plus a. Now I have x here. Instead of writing x, I'll write x plus a. Then this squared minus 3. Then I will expand this. That is 5 into bracket x squared plus 2xa plus 2 plus a squared minus 3. That is the expansion. Now we have 5x squared plus 10xa plus 5a squared minus 3. So let's compare that to our f of x plus a that we have here originally. That is 5x squared plus 30x plus 42 to get our a. So we compare the terms. This one doesn't have x. Is this term that have x, that is 10xa is equals to 30x. Divide both sides by 10x, and our a will be 3. So to see if that is actually consistent, I'll go back to the third term. The third term too has a in it. That is, I will compare 5a squared minus 3. Then let me compare it to this other one that we have here, which is 42. So on dividing both sides, we have 5a squared is what? 42 plus 3. 5a squared is 45. Dividing both sides by 5 will give us a squared is 9, and our square root of 9 is 3. So we have already gotten, we have two possible answers here, which is plus or minus 3, but the positive value will be chosen because we have solved one that gives us plus what? 3. So we will discard the negative value. So our option here is option C. Thank you once again for listening, and follow up for another video on SAT related problems.